Starting around 06 October 2023, Axie endlessness really is exchanging at $4.50 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which essentially is genuinely critical. Axie in a real sense has a kind of complete market cap of $635,901,162, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,251,628, or so they thought. This generally makes Axie limitlessness, Axie's, sort of positioning at 55 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is very critical. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie limitlessness in every practical sense be really worth in 2023, which for the most part is very huge? Is Axie limitlessness an excellent speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly? Will Axie's cost truly outperform its untouched for the most part high in a fundamentally enormous manner? These explicitly are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, showing how explicitly is Axie vastness a wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely large manner. Axie limitlessness, Axie's, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost most certainly is supposed to explicitly cross a by and large normal value level of $7.10, the normal really least value worth of Axie vastness, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be $6.80, which sort of is genuinely huge. Besides, Axie can really arrive at an especially greatest value level of $7.73 in an in every practical sense, enormous way. Axie's value conjecture August 2023, with respect to August 2023, Axie limitlessness especially is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $5.77 in a significant manner. The Axie's cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $6.49, with the by and large normal cost around $6.31, or so they truly thought. Axie limitlessness value expectation September 2023, the cost of Axie vastness truly is truly anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a truly least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, so Axie boundlessness, Axie's, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie endlessness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Axie's cost truly is supposed to especially cross a really normal value level of $7.10, the normal by and large least value worth of Axie endlessness, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to for the most part be $6.80, which essentially is very huge. The Axie's cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of $6.81, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, showing that Axie vastness value expectation September 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness truly is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of $6.20 in September 2023. So Axie boundlessness, Axie's, value expectation 2023 as per the Axie limitlessness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost explicitly is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $7.10, the normal least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $6.80, which generally is very huge. Axie vastness, Axie's, value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Axie limitlessness cost in a real sense is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a very the least cost of $6.33 in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie's cost could especially arrive at a really most extreme cost of $7.06, with the truly normal expected cost around $6.57 in an unpretentious manner. Axie's value gauge November 2023, the Axie boundlessness estimate for November 2023 expects that the Axie may generally arrive at a really greatest worth of $7.39, with a sort of least cost of around $6.59, which for the most part is very huge. Discussing the typical value Axie can truly stretch around $6.83 for November, which generally shows that besides Axie can in every practical sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $7.73 in a huge manner. Axie endlessness, Axie's value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness especially is for the most part anticipated to sort of arrive at an essentially normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $7.73 and a sort of least of $6.80, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been certainly diminished by 0.86% in its in every way that really matters, current worth in an especially significant way. Assuming we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap truly is additionally down, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness generally is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an extremely huge manner. The Axies certainly is down to nearly 1.02% in the absolute most recent 7 days, or so they truly thought. The coin for the most part is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for extremely past certainly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength, for certainly however, we don't in every practical sense feel that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which fundamentally is very huge. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies especially diminished by 52.117%, disposing of an astounding especially normal amount of $4.90 from its kind of current worth, demonstrating the way that the Axies cost could explicitly arrive at in every practical sense. Greatest cost of $7.06, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $6.57 in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a kind of good sort of purchase and open door for all things considered, speedy speculation. Demonstrating the way that the Axies cost could basically arrive at a truly greatest cost of $7.06, with the kind of typical expected cost around $6.57 in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 61.64%, and the cost explicitly circled from a fundamentally least by and large normal cost of $10.80 to kind of greatest especially normal cost of $12.31 in the in every practical sense recent days, which truly shows that Axie vastness, Axies, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Axies cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a really normal value level of $7.10, the normal genuinely least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to basically be $6.80 in a truly significant manner. Axie limitlessness in every way that really matters is somewhere near 32.32% with the exceptionally greatest especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around